Hey everyone, this is Nick Summers from Engadget checking out the Nokia 8 Sirocco, the latest flagship from HMD Global. Now, you might remember the Nokia 8 from last summer, and well, it didn't look anything like this. For one, it had an aluminium back, whilst this one is almost entirely glass from back to front. It also has a curved display now on the front. You can see it sloping to the left and right hand side, quite similar to Samsung's Galaxy S8. On this phone, you get a 5.3-inch OLED display with a 2K resolution. It looks plenty bright and sharp to me, but it won't compare with even some of the top-tier Android flagships that came out in 2017. Now, like the Nokia 8, this comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, as well as 6GB of RAM. This time around, they have upped the battery. It's now a 3,260 mAh unit. And they've also changed the camera system too. So on the back, you now get a 12-megapixel wide-angle shooter paired with a 13-megapixel main shooter that also has 2x optical zoom. On the front, they have dropped it down to a 5-megapixel selfie snapper, which is a step down from the 13-megapixel version that they had on the original Nokia 8. From a software standpoint, no, it's very similar to other HMD Global phones that we've seen. You're basically getting stock Android, which is great. Now, when this phone goes on sale in April, it's going to cost €749. That's below flagship phones such as the iPhone X and newly announced Samsung Galaxy S9. However, it is a smidge above something like the OnePlus 5T. Given the processor they've gone for, that is a little bit of a concern for me. However, if you're a die-hard Nokia fan, this is still the phone to go for. For more on the Nokia 8 Sirocco and everything else that's happening here at Mobile World Congress, keep checking out Engadget.com.